Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Makgeolli bread. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, focusing on the unique role of Makgeolli in creating a distinct flavor and texture. Then, we'll review the basic equipment you'll need to ensure a smooth baking experience from start to finish. Get ready to transform traditional Korean rice wine into a delightful, fluffy loaf that's perfect for any occasion. First, gently combine your Makgeolli with the dry ingredients, including flour, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out and knead for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for developing the gluten. Afterward, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Once your dough has completed its first rise, gently punch it down to release the air. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into your desired portions, whether you're making a single loaf or several smaller rolls. Carefully shape each piece, ensuring a smooth surface. Then, place the shaped dough onto a baking sheet, cover it again, and allow it to proof for a second time until visibly puffy, typically for 30 to 45 minutes. Now for the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your proof dough into the hot oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, remove the bread from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This ensures a perfect texture before you slice, and enjoy your homemade Makgeolli bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.